What's up, guys? I join you on a very, I don't know, gloomy, I don't know what you'd call it, rainy, I wouldn't say rainy, drizzly day. And the weather matches what's about to happen, actually. Yeah, so someone's coming to have a look at the Type R today, which is a bit of a rushed thing because I didn't plan on selling it that quick. But yeah, I thought I'd put the feelers out there, and someone was like, listen mate, can I come see the car in like an hour's time? So I was like, okay. You know what I mean? So I'm rushing this, but there's also a reason why it's been sold, which I'm probably gonna mention in the next video. So yeah, someone's gonna come and have a look. It might not even sell today. As you can see, I'm rough as hell. I didn't want to make a video. I've got two massive zits on my face, so I wasn't planning to make any video today, but I thought I can't let the Type R get sold and not, you know, conclude what we've done with it and, you know, give it a farewell VTEC session, you know what I mean? So yeah, I thought I'll take it out anyway, just so that you guys can hear what it sounds like after its map. And basically it's at its best right now. And usually when cars are like this for me, instead of keeping them, I think, oof, let me let it go, you know, no problems, everything's working fine. Because if I keep them, then I end up pumping more and more money into them, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's been a nice 8, 9, 10 months, something like that. I think November was when I bought it, so it's been good. You know, I've reassured myself by buying one of these that, you know, I'm still into Hondas and I still love Hondas, basically. It's just the mileage on this one. That's the main thing that put me off a bit. When I was buying one, I wasn't really looking for a big build, you know what I mean? I was just looking to get one. And now that I've had one, I've enjoyed it so much. I've thought, I'd like to do something more than just NA tune it, you know what I mean? But that's the problem, because the mileage on this one is just a bit too high. 136,000 is just ticked over too, so yeah, a little bit on the high side, guys. But yeah, I know some of you might be disappointed and be like, you know, we've just subscribed to your channel and you got rid of it. Trust me, guys, the next car is even better than this. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. It's even better than this. There's the old bull that just went past. So yeah, that's the only reason I'm getting rid of this, because the next car, if I didn't buy this next car, it was not gonna happen, because you guys know the used car market at the moment is through the roof. Even a Yaris, you know, is expensive compared to what it used to be. So the next car had to be done, and obviously I can't keep 3, 4 cars, you know what I mean? So that's why, unfortunately, this has had to take the cut, you know what I mean? And which is not a bad thing. I mean, the other car you guys will enjoy, you know. I might give you a clue. Let's just put it this way: that car runs double the power of this thing. So there you have it. You know, that is a complete and utter animal. Yeah, there's no other way of saying it. It is a beast, you know. So yeah, I couldn't keep all of them. But yeah, let me open the taps for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like through the gears. Let me open up the windows slightly. I'll probably knock it in second gear, because So yeah, I mean, what else can I say? You know, I thought I'll take it out on a quick last spin, make sure everything's in order before the person comes in view the car, you know what I mean? So at least we have a bit of a clearer picture on its last performance. I'll probably release the launch. It's just wet. I'd love to, you know, let you guys hear the launch as well. I'll probably rev it up now and you can hear them. Hey, this thing's angry, man. Oh yeah. There's just no traction in the wet. Whoa. Just spins and spins. And the funny thing is, because of this shift light on the engine light, when that pops on, you kind of like, whoa, is something going wrong? Then you realize, no, it's just the shift light, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, quite a disappointing video. We'll probably record it leaving if we can capture it leaving. Yeah, let's see, maybe it might not sell, you know what I mean? Maybe the guy won't be interested, but literally I've put the feelers out and not even an hour later, guys, people are after the car. I don't know if I've priced it too cheap or whatever, but yeah, people are really after them. And these start, even on this mileage, they start at about 5k, you know what I mean? So that's just the ballpark figure of say a goodbye to the Civic Type R last drive. It's a nice short and sweet drive, and also I had to do it, you know what I mean? I couldn't let this car go without you guys seeing the last drive in it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I would have liked to keep it longer, but hey guys, as this car's running as sweet as it is, it's best to go, you know what I mean, because of the new project, or new car rather, should we say. And that's an exciting car. I wouldn't just sell this if there wasn't something else in the pipeline, you know what I mean? The Golf, that's what I was saying to you on the last video, that the Golf is probably going to make a comeback in the next 1 or 2 videos because of all this, you know, of this car going up for sale and selling basically. She is a little ripper. So yeah guys, that is the last drive in the Civic Type R, unfortunately. But as I've said this throughout the video, it's sad, but it needed to go, you know what I mean? And yeah, for all the previous owners, I know 2 of the previous owners know this car very well. Hopefully it's going into good hands. I hope it's not going to go and get broken to take its K-Pro out and all its bits, but because it's a nice car, you know what I mean? It really is a nice car. Compared to some of the sheds that are out there, it is a nice car. Anyway guys, I am going to end the video there, and I'll catch you guys again soon. The Civic is going. My 4 car. Hey there. Wee. Cheers, mate. Right guys, there you have it. EP3 is actually gone. Can't believe that. Listed it at like, what was it, 11:48 or something, and it was gone by like 2 o'clock. And that's like a record for me. I've never sold a car in like 2 hours from listing it to saying goodbye to the car, you know what I mean? So it was a weird day, really weird day for it to go that quick, you know. I woke up that morning thinking, yeah, I'll stick it on, because I'd already prepared the listing anyway. And yeah, it's sold. But as I said, the next car is even more exciting. And as you can see, I am actually set in it now. This is on another level, guys. This will give you a clue to what this is. Trust me. More than double the power of the EP3. So that will give you an idea. But yeah, you're not going to see this in the next video because I have to revive the Golf as my new daily anyway. So we need to get that back on the road and running nicely and stuff. So I've got a daily at least, because this is not dailyable, this what I'm set in now. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. You know what I mean? If you want to see this car, keep watching. I think it's probably going to be not the next video, the video after that. I'll do the unveiling of it. But yeah, thanks for your guys' support with the EP3, to all the EP3 followers and watchers and subscribers and everything. So yeah, but yeah, if you were interested in the Honda, keep watching is all I'm gonna say. Anyway, have a good weekend, guys. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.